Okay, guys, hello everybody. Here's Michael Rosenfeld from Amazon Realtalk, and we are here in episode number 5. And it's about the question: is Amazon the right business for me? I get this question a lot from my friends and also from different countries, from Germany, US, Ukraine. Most of the time from Ukraine right now, because during the war, yes, a lot of them lost their offline business and they think about online business, which is less dependent on such events like local wars. But I think Amazon is not this easy game as it was 5 or 10 years ago, and now it became much more difficult to be really successful on Amazon. Why is this? Yes, because the market gets bigger and more well known. There is more competition, there is more pressure on prices, higher cost for advertising, and smaller margins, which gives a big pressure on most of the players. And now, even with the big holdings coming to the market, who aggregate the smaller sellers and become bigger sellers, this aggregation of the market gives even more pressure to the smaller seller. So how can you make the right decision if Amazon is right for you, the right place to start a business for you or not? It's always about expectation. Like always, new relationship, new business, new friendship, new country where you live. It's always about expectation. So you should have the right expectation. You should not expect that Amazon will be an easy game. You should not expect that you will get profits from your business in the first year. Yes, most of the time, if you start business on Amazon, yes, you invest more and more to keep up with the cash flow and growth for the next for the first 1 to 3 years at least. You should not expect that your business will have 1, 2 or 3 products and continue give you profits for the next 5 years. Yes, usually the life cycle of a product is about 2 years, and you will be forced to bring new products every year and make launches every year, successful launches, to sustain your business, right? Because competition is not sleeping. Also, you must know that it's a physical product business which bounces a lot of money, and most of the time the money in your inventory is more than all of your savings, and there's always high risk with this inventory, that it can be, for example, lost, it can be outdated, can be of bad quality, and you need to replace it, or you need to dispose your whole inventory. Also, you need to store your inventory somewhere if you have seasonal business, or the niche breaks down, like I experienced sometime. Then all your or part of your inventory can become unsellable, which is a big financial loss. So we had such a story with one full container of products, and it was selling very well, and when the second container arrived, the niche was already dead, and we couldn't sell this product, and it was $50,000 that produced $900 cost at the warehouse in Los Angeles. And yes, I paid every month $900 to store the products that I cannot sell. That cost me $50,000. Yes, so buying a BMW or Mercedes would be a smarter solution than doing this. Yes, but this is business risk that you need to expect. Yes, and you need to be also mentally ready to take such risk, and also to stand up always after such setbacks. Yes, because I have also a lot of people in the Amazon community, people that I know or even friends of mine, that are like, they have kind of the depression after such setbacks. Yes, or they need to take pills, or they shrink together when they hear with the word Amazon. Yes, so it's horror stories. Yes, I know, but it's also true. Yes, and there is not only success and get rich on Amazon. Yes, like most of private label sellers fail actually. Yes, like in every business. Like also if you open a coffee place or a hot dog, whatever. Yes, like 95% of people fail. You need to know it. Most of the time you don't hear about them, but I see plenty of stories. Yes. Also, and yes, one of the most important thing is you should think long term, yes, and understand that nowadays most of the money made on Amazon is made if you sell your business. So the business itself needs a lot of cash flow when it grows, and usually there is a lot of reinvestment, which keeps a lot of money inside the business and inside Amazon, and you pay out your dividends so that you can cover the cost of your living or your family living. Yes, that's okay, but you can't. Usually, you don't become millionaire, like bank account millionaire, with the running Amazon business, because you rather use this money for the business, right? So because you wanted to grow, and yes, the richest Amazon sellers are the one that already sold their business and had a great exit, especially in the year 2021 when the multiples were like double of the ones that we have right now in 22. But also to sell a business, you need to have at least $1 million turnover per year, so that you're interesting to some of the aggregators. And this might take also, I would say, about 2 years, yes, to get to this size if you start alone as one-man show. So it's not about getting rich quick, and it's tough business, and you have a lot of money risk and challenges to your mentality. You need to be prepared for this. Also, it's not passive. Yes, this is what I hear also a lot, that Amazon handles the most of the things. Yes, but Amazon became so big now, and you have so many features inside the platform and also outside of the platform, the outside traffic that you need to generate. You are never bored. Yes, every day you have something new, something to handle, something to fix, something to improve, to test. So if you want to keep up with the competition, you will be just in this flow where you need to do everything, something to get better than yesterday. And it's like a rat race, yes. And if you're ready for this, you're welcome. Join. If you want easy quiet life where you can make forecasts for the next years, where you want to have less stress and have a quiet sleep, yes, or constant sleep without waking up at night, maybe this Amazon is not the right thing, yes, because this is like one of the most stressful businesses out there, and you need to know it before you start. So next time, if you hear such questions, is Amazon business the right thing for me? You can give to these people this video, or you can forward them to me. We made multiple brands in multiple countries. We had all the fails that you can have, and I can tell you more if you reach out to me. Thank you for watching this video. Michael Rosenfeld from Amazon Realtalk, episode number 5. See you.